Elements of national power. The factors that collectively constitute the power in being and the power potentiality of a state. Some elements of national power are natural factors, not ordinarily subject to human control or alteration, while others are variables that depend on human impulses, organization, and capacities. Major components in the power equation include 1. The size, location, climate, and topography of the national territory. 2. The natural resources, sources of energy, and foodstuffs that can be produced. 3. The population, its size, density, age and sex composition, and its per capita relationship to national income. 4. The size and efficiency of the industrial plant. 5. The extent and effectiveness of the transportation system and communications media. 6. The educational system, research facilities, and the number and quality of the scientific and technical elite. 7. The size, training, equipment, and spirit of the military forces. 8. The nature and strength of the nation's political, economic, and social system. 9. The quality of its diplomats and diplomacy. 10. The policies and attitudes of the nation's leaders. And 11. The national character and morale of its people.